Hi guys, I've designed a very simple yet surprisingly effective tensioner for openpnp this month. It's much more convenient than installing a spring on a belt. If you need it, hurry up and join our Discord server. You can get the drawings for free. Now I will use a piece of aluminum plate to explain its working principle, so that you can see it very clearly. Ultimately, it should consist of 2 aluminum plates to achieve a stable structure. It consists of 3 20T GT2 timing pulleys. 2 of them have teeth and 1 has no teeth. By squeezing with an M3*20 mechanical screw, gradually tighten the belt to the appropriate level. Y-axis tensioner assembly completed. X-axis tensioner assembly completed. It is exactly the same as the Y-axis tensioner, so I will not elaborate on its working principle.